Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today we have another custom build. As if you guys saw previously our early video live on Facebook, we were rebuilding this machine. It came from a big Alienware tower that is about 7 years old. And what happened was the computer was not working with a new video card that AMD has brought in. It's a new series that they came with for the RAM. The machine's got the i9 processor now. We jumped from the i7 to the i9. It's got a liquid cooler. It's got 32 gigs of RAM. A nice looking tempered glass machine with RGB fans and all that kind of stuff. That pump will be good enough to cool things down. As you can tell, we're just testing the machine before we transfer the data. The video card is working great. Everything's working fine so far. So just letting you know, guys, if you have an old machine and you try to upgrade some components like the video card or even the RAM, when you're talking about old technology, it will not be compatible. So you may have to end up starting from scratch. So if you have any questions on custom builds or any other machines repairs, just leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.